श्री यंत्र ये देवी ललिता त्रिपुर सुंदरी का निवास स्थान है। ये एक समृद्धि का यंत्र है। इसकी उपासना की फलश्रुति अब हम देखेंगे।
अनेन सदृशं स्तोत्रं न भूतं न भविष्यति सर्वरोग प्रशमनं सर्वसंपत्प्रवर्धनम्।
ललिता सहस्त्र नामावली इतना सुंदर स्तोत्र पहले कभी भी नहीं हुआ था और आगे कभी भी नहीं हो सकता है। इस स्तोत्र के रोज़ाना जाप करने से सब बीमारियों से राहत मिलती है और चारों ओर से उन्नति होती है।
सर्वापमृत्युशमनं कालमृत्युनिवारणं सर्वज्वरार्तिशमनं दीर्घायुष्यप्रदायकम्।
इस स्तोत्र का जाप करने से अकाल मृत्यु टल जाता है, आगे आने वाली मृत्यु का निवारण होता है और दीर्घायु की प्राप्ति होती है।
अयमायुष्करो नाम प्रयोगः कल्पनोदितः ज्वरार्तं शिरसि स्पृष्ट्वा पठेन्नाम सहस्रकम्। तत्क्षणात् प्रशमं याति शिरस्तोदो ज्वरोऽपि च सर्वव्याधिनिवृत्त्यर्थं स्पृष्ट्वा भस्म जपेदिदम्।
इसमें आयुष्कर नाम का प्रयोग कल्प सूत्र में लिखा है, जिसमें बुखार और सर दर्द होने पर सर पर हाथ रखकर स्तोत्र का जाप करने से इनसे निवारण मिलता है।
लक्ष्मी चाञ्चल्यरहिता सदा तिष्ठति तद्गृहे मासमेकं प्रतिदिनं त्रिवारं यः पठेन्नरः।
लगातार 6 महीने भक्ति भाव से जाप करने वाले के घर लक्ष्मी हमेशा वास करती है।
भारती तस्य जिह्वाग्रे रंगे नृत्यति नित्यशः यस्त्वेकवारं पठति पक्षमात्रमतन्द्रितः।
महीने में एक बार, हो सके तो हर रोज या दिन में 3 बार सहस्त्र नामावली जाप करने वाले की जिह्वा पर सरस्वती स्वयं नृत्य करती है।
विष्णुनाम सहस्राश्च शिवनामैकमुत्तमम् शिवनामसहस्राश्च देव्यानामैकमुत्तमम्।
श्री विष्णु के 1000 नाम से श्री शिव का एक ही नाम अच्छा है और श्री शिव के 1000 नाम से देवी का एक ही नाम काफ़ी है।
श्री यंत्र आपने ऑर्डर किया है, ये घर आने बाद इसे सिद्ध करना ज़रूरी है। इसे सिद्ध करने के लिए ललिता सहस्त्र नामावली से कुमकुम अर्चन करना आवश्यक है। ये कैसे किया जाता है ये अब हम देखेंगे।
श्री ललिता सहस्त्र नामावली। ओम ऐं ह्रीं श्री ओम श्री मात्रे नमः।
Salutations to the Divine Mother who measures the quantum of benefit reaching her children.
ओम श्री महाराज्ञयै नमः।
Salutations to the Supreme Express of the several universes.
ओम श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरै नमः।
Salutations to the one who leads, seated over the divine throne.
ओम चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूतायै नमः।
Salutations to the one born out of the fire of supreme consciousness.
ओम देवकार्यसमुद्यतायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is ever engaged in fulfilling the mission celestial.
ओम उद्यद्भानुसहस्राभायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who shines with the luster of thousands of rising suns.
ओम चतुर्बाहुसमन्वितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is endowed with 4 arms.
ॐ रागस्वरूपपाषाढ्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who holds a noose, the personification of attachment.
ॐ क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वलायै नमः।
Salutation to one who wields a goad, the form of anger.
ॐ मनोरूपेक्षुकोदण्डायै नमः।
Salutation to one who sports a sugarcane bow, the symbol of mind.
ॐ पञ्चतन्मात्रसायकायै नमः।
Salutation to one who has 5 flowery arrows representing 5 objects of sensory perception.
ॐ निजारूढप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डलायै नमः।
Salutation to one who floods the entire universe with her crimson red hue.
ॐ चम्पकाशोकपुन्नागसौगन्धिकलसत्कचायै नमः।
Salutation to one whose tresses are bedecked with champaka, ashoka, punaga and saugandhika flowers.
ॐ कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणीकनत्कोटीरमण्डितायै नमः।
Salutation to one whose braid is ornamented with gems such as ruby variety.
ॐ अष्टमी चन्द्रविभ्राजदलिकस्थलशोभितायै नमः।
Salutation to one whose forehead is shaped like the 8th digit of the moon.
ॐ मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभमृगनाभिविशेषकायै नमः।
Salutation to one whose moon-like face has the mark of Kasturi Tilaka as the dark spot.
ॐ वदनस्मरमाङ्गल्यगृहतोरणचिल्लिकायै नमः।
Salutation to one whose eyebrows mark an entrance arc to the abode of Cupid.
ॐ वक्त्रलक्ष्मीपरिवाहचलन्मीनाभलोचनायै नमः।
Salutations to the one whose fish eyes sport in the waters of the beautiful face.
ॐ नवचम्पकपुष्पाभनासादण्डविराजितायै नमः।
Salutations to the one whose nose resembles the beauty of fresh champaka flowers.
ॐ ताराकान्तितिरस्कारी नासाभरणभासुरायै नमः।
Salutations to the one whose nose studs excel the splendor of the stars.
ॐ कदम्बमञ्जरीक्लुप्तकर्णपूरमनोहरायै नमः।
Salutations to the one whose beautiful ears wear the clusters of kadamba flowers.
ॐ ताटङ्कयुगलीभूततपनोडूपमण्डलायै नमः।
Salutations to the one whose ear studs are the sun and the moon.
ॐ पद्मरागशिलादर्शपरिभाविकपोलभुवे नमः।
Salutations to the one whose cheeks put to shame the shine of the Padma Raga gemmed mirror.
ॐ नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारी दशनच्छदायै नमः।
Salutations to the one whose lips defeat the color of fresh corals and bimba fruit.
ॐ शुद्धविद्याङ्कुराकारद्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वलायै नमः।
Salutations to the one whose mouth shines with 2 rows of teeth which represent pure knowledge.
ॐ कर्पूरवीटिकामोदसमाकर्षदिगन्तरायै नमः।
Salutations to the one whose chewed betel attracts the quarters with its fragrance.
ॐ निजसल्लापमाधुर्यविनिर्भितसत्कच्छपयै नमः।
Salutations to the one who by her melodious voice puts down the music of Kachappi.
ॐ मन्दस्मितप्रभापूरमज्जत्कामेशमानसायै नमः।
Salutations to the one in whose glorious sweet smile the mind of Kameshwara is repeatedly immersed.
ॐ अनाकलितसादृश्यचिबुकश्रीविराजितायै नमः।
Salutations to the one whose chin with nothing to equal its beauty illuminates her.
ॐ कामेशबद्धमाङ्गल्यसूत्रशोभितकन्धरायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is adorned by the marriage thread tied by Kameshwara.
ॐ कनकाङ्गदकेयूरकमनीयभुजान्वितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one whose arms are bedecked with golden ornaments.
ॐ रत्नग्रैवल्यचिन्ताकलोलमुक्ताफलान्वितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who sports a necklace of gems with a dangling pearl ornament.
ॐ कामेश्वर प्रेमरत्नमणिप्रतिपणस्तन्यै नमः
Salutations to the one whose pair of breasts are an exchange price for the gem of Kameshwara's love.
ॐ नाभ्यालवालरोमाली लताफलकुचद्वयै नमः
Salutation to the one whose breasts are the fruit growing on the creeper-like hair emerging from her deep navel.
ॐ लक्षरोमलताधारता समुन्नय्य मध्यमायै नमः
Salutations to the one whose waist is inferred from the creeper-like visible hair.
ॐ स्तनभारदलं मध्यपट्टबन्धवलित्रयायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose heavy bosom induced 3 folds on the skin of her stomach.
ॐ अरुणारुणकौसुम्बवस्त्रभास्वत्कटितट्यै नमः
Salutation to the one whose waist shine with the reddish silk bedecked.
ॐ रत्नकिङ्किणिकारम्यरसनादामभूषितायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose girdle bejeweled with charming tingling bells adorn her waist.
ॐ कामेशज्ञातसौभाग्यमार्दवोरुभयान्वितायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose symmetry of the smooth thighs are known only to Kamesha.
ॐ माणिक्यमुकुटाकारजानुद्वयविराजितायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose knees shine like bejeweled crowns.
ॐ इन्द्रगोपपरीक्षिप्तस्मरतूणां नमः
Salutation to the one whose calves are the sapphire-studded quiver of Manmatha.
ॐ गूढगुल्फायै नमः
Salutation to the one who possesses well-shaped ankles.
ॐ कूर्मपृष्ठजयिष्णुप्रपदान्वितायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose insteps are arched like the shell of a tortoise.
ॐ नखदीदितिसञ्चन्ननमज्जनतमोगुणायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose bright rays emerging from her footnails dispel the ignorance of the worshippers who bow to her.
ॐ पदद्वयप्रभाजालपराकृतसरोरुहायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose souls shame the beauty of the lotus.
ॐ शिञ्जानमणिमञ्जीरमण्डितश्रीपदाम्बुजायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose beautiful feet are adorned by the tinkling anklets.
ॐ मरालीमन्दगमनायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose gait resembles that of a swan.
ॐ महालावण्यसेवधेयै नमः
Salutation to the one who is a treasure trove of beauty.
ॐ सर्वारुणायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is completely of crimson red hue.
ॐ अनवद्याङ्ग्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who possesses faultless limbs.
ॐ सर्वाभरणभूषितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is adorned with all varieties of ornaments.
ॐ शिवकामेश्वराङ्गस्थायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is seated on the lap of Shiva Kameshwara.
ॐ शिवायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is beneficial.
ॐ स्वाधीनवल्लभायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has won over her Lord.
ॐ सुमेरुमध्यशृङ्गस्थायै नमः
Salutation to the one who dwells on the summit of Mount Sumeru.
ॐ श्रीमन्नगरनायिकायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the Lord of Shripura, the city personified by Sri Chakra.
ॐ चिन्तामणिगृहान्तस्थायै नमः
Salutation to the one who resides in the palace built with Chintamani.
ॐ पञ्चब्रह्मासनस्थितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who sits on a seat comprising 5 Brahmas: Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, Ishana, and Sadashiva.
ॐ महापद्माटवी संस्थायै नमः
Salutation to the one who resides amidst forests of lotus.
ॐ कदम्बवनवासिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who resides in the grove of Kadamba trees.
ॐ सुधासागरमध्यस्थायै नमः
Salutation to the one who resides in the middle of the ocean of nectar.
ॐ कामाक्ष्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who possesses enchanting eyes.
ॐ कामदायिन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who fulfills desires.
ॐ देवर्षिगणसङ्घातस्तूयमानात्मवैभवायै नमः।
Salutation to the one whose powers are praised by hordes of celestials and sages.
ॐ भण्डासुरवधोद्युक्तशक्तिसेना समन्वितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is endowed with an army of warriors to slay Bandasura.
ॐ सम्पत्करी समारूढ सिन्दूरव्रजसेवितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is attended by goddess Sampatkari.
ॐ अश्वारूढाधिष्ठिताश्वकोटिकोटिभिरावृतायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is attended by goddess Ashavaruddha.
ॐ चक्रराजरथारूढ सर्वायुधपरिष्कृतायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is seated in a chariot, namely Chakra Raja, and armed with all weapons.
ॐ गेयचक्ररथारूढ मन्त्रिणी परिसेवितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is attended by Mantrini, who rides Geya Chakra.
ॐ गिरिचक्ररथारूढ दण्डनाथा पुरस्कृतायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is preceded by Dandini, who rides Kiri Chakra.
ॐ ज्वालामालिनिकाक्षिप्तवह्नि प्राकारमध्यगायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who resides in the center of fortress with firewall made by Jwala Malini Devi.
ॐ भण्डसैन्यवधोद्युक्तशक्तिविक्रमहर्षितायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is delighted by the endeavor of Shakti Sena in destroying the army of Banda.
ॐ नित्यपराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षणसमुत्सुकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who rejoices at the valor of 15 Nitya Devis.
ॐ भण्डपुत्रवधोद्युक्तबालाविक्रमनन्दितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who rejoices in the valor of Bala Tripura Sundari, who killed sons of Bandasura.
ॐ मन्त्रिण्यम्बा विरचितविसङ्गवदतोषितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who rejoices in the destruction of Vishanga by Mantrini.
ॐ विशुक्रप्राणहरणवाराहि वीर्यनन्दितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who rejoices at the strength of Varahi, who slayed Visukra.
ॐ कामेश्वर मुखालोककल्पितश्रीगणेश्वरायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who created Ganeshwara by glancing at the face of Kameshwara.
ॐ महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्नयन्त्र प्रहर्षितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is delighted with the effort of Ganeshwara in destroying the Jaya Vigna Yantra.
ॐ भण्डासुरेन्द्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्र प्रत्यस्त्र वर्षिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who shot weapons to counter the missiles sent by Bandasura.
ॐ कराङ्गुली नखोत्पन्न नारायण दशाकृत्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one whose fingernails, the 10 incarnation of Vishnu, were created.
ॐ महापाशुपतास्त्राग्नि निर्दग्धासुरसैनिकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who burned the army of demons with the fire of Mahapashupatastra.
ॐ कामेश्वरास्त निर्दग्ध भण्डासुरशून्यकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who burned Bhandasura along with his capital city Sunyaka with Kameshwarastra's fire.
ॐ ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र महेन्द्रादि देव संस्तुत वैभवायै नमः।
Salutation to the one whose powers are praised by Brahma, Vishnu and Indra.
ॐ हर नेत्रादि संदग्ध काम संजीवन औषधायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is rejuvenating medicine for Manmatha destroyed by the fire from Shiva's eye.
ॐ श्रीमद्वाग्भवकूटैक स्वरूप मुख पंकजायै नमः।
Salutation to the one whose lotus face is the Vagbhava Kuta.
ॐ कण्ठाद कटिपर्यन्त मध्यकूट स्वरूपिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one whose torso from throat to waist is the Madhya Kuta.
ॐ शक्तिकूटैक तापवन्न कट्टदो भावधारिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one whose limbs waist downwards is the Shakti Kuta.
ॐ मूलमन्त्रात्मिकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the of nature of Mula Mantra Panchadashi.
ॐ मूलकूटत्रयकलेबरायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose subtle body consists of the triple divisions of the mantra.
ॐ मूलामृतैकरसिकायै नमः
Salutation to the one who relishes the nectar of Kula.
ॐ कुलसङ्केतपालिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who protects the secrecies of chakra, mantra and worshipping it, which is called Kula.
ॐ कूलाङ्गनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is a reputable woman.
ॐ कूलान्तस्थायै नमः
Salutation to the one who resides in Kula.
ॐ कौलिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped in every household.
ॐ कुलयोगिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is connected with Kula Chakra.
ॐ अकुलायै नमः
Salutation to the one who resides in Akula Padma.
ॐ समयान्तस्थायै नमः
Salutation to the one who lives in Samaya, that is mode of worship approved by the wise.
ॐ समयाचारतत्परायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is devoted to the conduct described in Rudraya Mala Tantra known as Samaya.
ॐ मूलाधारैकनिलयायै नमः
Salutation to the one who resides in Mooladhara.
ॐ ब्रह्मग्रन्थिविभेदिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who serves the knot called Brahma Granthi.
ॐ मणिपूरान्तर्गृतायै नमः
Salutation to the one who appears in Manipura Chakra.
ॐ विष्णुग्रन्थिविभेदिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who serves the knot called Vishnu Granthi.
ॐ आज्ञाचक्रान्तरालसायै नमः
Salutation to the one who resides in the center of Agnya Chakra.
ॐ रुद्रग्रन्थिविभेदिन्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who serves the knot called Rudra Granthi.
ॐ सहस्राराम्बुजारूढायै नमः
Salutations to the one who ascends the 1,000-petaled lotus Sahasraha.
ॐ सुधासाराभिवर्षिण्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who showers torrents of ambrosia.
ॐ तटिल्लतासमरुच्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who shines like the flash of brilliant lightning.
ॐ षट्चक्रोपरिसंस्थितायै नमः
Salutations to the one who resides above the 6 chakras.
ॐ महाशक्त्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is greatly associated with festivities.
ॐ कुण्डलिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is Kundalini.
ॐ विसतन्तुतनीयस्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of Kundalini as slender as the fiber of lotus stalk.
ॐ भवान्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is giver of life to the world.
ॐ भावनागम्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is attained by meditation.
ॐ भवारण्यमुद्धारिकायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the axe into the forest of worldly existence.
ॐ भद्रप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who delights in goodness.
ॐ भद्रमूर्तयै नमः
Salutation to the one who is of benevolent appearance.
ॐ भक्तसौभाग्यदायिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who confers prosperity upon her devotees.
ॐ भक्तिप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who delights in devotion.
ॐ भक्तिगम्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who can be attained through devotion.
ॐ भक्तिवश्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who can be made subservient by devotion.
ॐ भयापहायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the remover of fear.
ॐ शाम्भव्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is consort of Shambhu.
ॐ शरदाराध्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by Saraswati.
ॐ शर्वाण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is consort of Sharva.
ॐ शर्मदायिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who confers happiness.
ॐ शाङ्कर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the consort of Shambhu.
ॐ श्रीकर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who causes prosperity.
ॐ साध्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is chaste.
ॐ शरच्चन्द्रनिभाननायै नमः।
Salutation to the one whose face resembles autumnal moon.
ॐ शान्तोदर्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has slender waist.
ॐ शान्तिमर्त्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is peaceful.
ॐ निराधारायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has no dependence.
ॐ निरञ्जनायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is blemishless.
ॐ निर्लेपायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is free from impurities.
ॐ निर्मलायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is spotless.
ॐ नित्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is eternal.
ॐ निराकारायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is formless.
ॐ निराकुलायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is free from agitation due to absence of any trace of avidya.
ॐ निर्गुणायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has no individualistic qualities.
ॐ निष्कलायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has no parts or compartments.
ॐ शान्तायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is tranquil.
ॐ निष्कामायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is free from desires.
ॐ निरुपप्लवायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is indestructible.
ॐ नित्यमुक्तायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is ever free.
ॐ निर्विकारायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is ever free from change.
ॐ निष्प्रपञ्चायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is without any expansion, being complete.
ॐ निराश्रयायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is bereft of a dependent body.
ॐ नित्यशुद्धायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is ever pure.
ॐ नित्यबुद्धायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is ever intelligent.
ॐ निरवध्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is free from blame caused by avidya.
ॐ निरन्तरायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is free from distinction caused by differential elements such as genius, action, quality.
ॐ निष्कारणायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has no casual agency.
ॐ निष्कलङ्कायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is faultless.
ॐ निरुपाधयै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is without limitation.
ॐ निरीश्वरायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has none superior than herself.
ॐ निरागायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is bereft of passion.
ॐ रागमन्थन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who destroys passion.
ॐ निर्मदायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is bereft of pride.
ॐ मदनाशिन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who destroys pride.
ॐ निश्चिन्तायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is bereft of anxiety.
ॐ निरहङ्कारायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is bereft of egoism.
ॐ निर्मोहायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is bereft of delusion.
ॐ मोहनाशिन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who destroys delusion.
ॐ निर्ममायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is bereft of self-interest.
ॐ ममताहन्त्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who destroys self-interest.
ॐ निष्पापायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is bereft of sin.
ॐ पापनाशिन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who destroys sin.
ॐ निष्क्रोधायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is bereft of anger.
ॐ क्रोधशमन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who destroys anger.
ॐ निर्लोभायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is bereft of greed.
ॐ लोभनाशिन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who destroys greed.
ॐ निस्संशयायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is bereft of doubts.
ॐ संशयज्ञै नमः।
Salutation to the one who destroys doubts.
ॐ निर्भवायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has no origin.
ॐ भवनाशिन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who destroys transmigratory existence.
ॐ निर्विकल्पायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is bereft of fancied notions.
ॐ निराबाधायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is undistributed.
ॐ निर्भेदायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has no differences.
ॐ भेदनाशिन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who destroys differences.
ॐ निर्नाशायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is imperishable.
ॐ मृत्युमथन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who destroys death.
ॐ निष्क्रियायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is free from action.
ॐ निष्परिग्रहाय नमः।
Salutation to the one who receives nothing.
ॐ निस्तुलायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is uncomparable.
ॐ नीलचिकुरायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has dark tresses.
ॐ निरपायायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is imperishable.
ॐ निरत्ययायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who cannot be transgressed.
ॐ दुर्लभायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is difficult to be attained.
ॐ दुर्गमायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is difficult of approach.
ॐ दुर्गायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is deliverer by slaying demon Durgama.
ॐ दुःखहन्त्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is destroyer of pain.
ॐ सुखप्रदायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who confers happiness.
ॐ दुष्टदुरायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is unattainable by sinners.
ॐ दुराचारशमन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who puts an end to bad customs.
ॐ दोषवर्जितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is devoid of faults.
ॐ सर्वज्ञायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is omniscient.
ॐ सान्द्रकरुणायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has intense compassion.
ॐ समानाधिकवर्जितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has none equal or superior.
ॐ सर्वशक्तिमयै नमः।
Salutation to the one who possesses all powers.
ॐ सर्वमङ्गलायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is source of all good fortunes.
ॐ सद्गतिप्रदायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who leads one to right path.
ॐ सर्वेश्वर्यै नमः।
Salutation to one who is ruler of all.
ॐ सर्वमयै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is everything.
ॐ सर्वमन्त्रस्वरूपिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is essence of all mantras.
ॐ सर्वयन्त्रात्मिकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the form of all yantras.
ॐ सर्वतन्त्ररूपायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the spirit of all tantras.
ॐ मनोन्मन्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who transcends the mental volitions.
ॐ मनोन्मन्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is consort of Maheshwara.
ॐ महेश्वर्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is consort of Maheshwara.
ॐ महादेव्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the great goddess.
ॐ महालक्ष्म्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the great bestower of prosperity.
ॐ मृडप्रियायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is beloved of Mruda.
ॐ महारूपायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is endowed with expansive form.
ॐ महापूज्यायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is worshipped by the great Shiva.
ॐ महापातकनाशिन्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who destroys great sins.
ॐ महामायायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the great illusion.
ॐ महासत्त्वायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the great reality.
ॐ महाशक्त्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the great energy.
ॐ महारत्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the great delight.
ॐ महाभोगायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the great object of enjoyment.
ॐ महेश्वरायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the great ruler.
ॐ महावीर्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the great strength.
ॐ महाबलायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the great Valor.
ॐ महाबुद्ध्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the great Intelligence.
ॐ महासिद्ध्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the great Accomplishment.
ॐ महायोगेश्वरेश्वर्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the ruler of great yogis.
ॐ महातन्त्रायै नमः।
Salutation to one who is the great Tantra which confers many benefits.
ॐ महामन्त्रायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the great Mantra.
ॐ महायन्त्रायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the great Yantra.
ॐ महासनायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the great seat.
ॐ महायागक्रमाराध्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is worshipped according to the method called Mahayaga.
ॐ महाभैरवपूजितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by Mahabhairava.
ॐ महेश्वर महाकल्प महाताण्डव साक्षिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who witnessed of the great cosmic dance of Shiva during the end of creation cycle.
ॐ महाकामेश महिष्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the consort of Mahakameshvara.
ॐ महात्रिपुरसुन्दर्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the great Tripura Sundari, that is, who is measured, measurer, and the act of measuring.
ॐ चतुष्षष्ट्युपचाराढ्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is adored by 64 acts of ceremonial worship.
ॐ चतुष्षष्टिकलामय्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is of nature of 64 forms of art.
ॐ महाचतुष्षष्टिकोटियोगिनीगणसेवितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is attended by 64 crores of yoginis.
ॐ मनुविद्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is of nature of mantra, whose seer is Manu.
ॐ चन्द्रविद्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is of nature of mantra, whose seer is Chandra.
ॐ चन्द्रमण्डलमध्यगायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who resides in the orb of moon.
ॐ चारुरूपायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has exquisite beauty.
ॐ चारुहासायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has enchanting smile.
ॐ चारुचन्द्रकलाधरायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who wears a beautiful crescent moon.
ॐ चराचरजगन्नाथायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who rules over animate and inanimate worlds.
ॐ चक्रराजनिकेतनायै नमः।
Salutation to one who resides in Sri Chakra.
ॐ पार्वत्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the daughter of mountain Himavan.
ॐ पद्मनयनायै नमः।
Salutation to one who has lotus-like eyes.
ॐ पद्मरागसमप्रभायै नमः।
Salutation to one who shines like the hue of ruby.
ॐ पञ्चप्रेतासनासिनायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is seated on a seat formed by 5 corpses.
ॐ पञ्चब्रह्मस्वरूपिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is of nature of 5 Brahmas, that is Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra, Ishana and Sadashiva.
ॐ चिन्मयै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is consciousness.
ॐ परमानन्दायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is supreme bliss.
ॐ विज्ञानघनरूपिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who constitutes the supreme intelligence.
ॐ ध्यानधातृध्येयरूपायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is triumvirate, meditation, meditator, object of meditation.
ॐ धर्माधर्मविवर्जितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is devoid of virtue and vice.
ॐ विश्वरूपायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is omnipresent.
ॐ जागरण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the waking state.
ॐ स्वपन्त्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the dreaming state.
ॐ तैजसात्मिकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the sum total of all beings in dream state.
ॐ सुप्तायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the state of sleep.
ॐ प्राज्ञात्मिकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the sum total of all beings in sleep state.
ॐ तुर्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the fourth state, state of pure ecstasy, transcending the above three states.
ॐ सर्वावस्था विवर्जितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who transcends all the states.
ॐ सृष्टिकर्त्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the creator.
ॐ ब्रह्मरूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is Brahma, creates.
ॐ गोप्त्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the protector.
ॐ गोविन्दरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who as Vishnu protects.
ॐ संहारिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the destroyer.
ॐ रुद्ररूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who as Rudra destroys.
ॐ तिरोधानकर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who causes disappearance, tirodhana, that is absorption of matter into its casual form.
ॐ ईश्वर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who as Ishvara causes tirodhana.
ॐ सदाशिवायै नमः
Salutation to the one who as Sadashiva blesses.
ॐ अनुग्रहदायै नमः
Salutation to the one who as Sadashiva brings above creation again after dissolution.
ॐ पञ्चकृत्यपरायणायै नमः
Salutation to the one who performs.
ॐ भानुमण्डलमध्यस्थायै नमः
Salutation to the one who abides in the solar orb.
ॐ भैरव्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the consort of Bhairava.
ॐ भगमालिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who wears sixfold prosperity as a garland.
ॐ पद्मासनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is seated on the lotus.
ॐ भगवत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who possesses the sixfold prosperity.
ॐ पद्मनाभसहोदर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is as a sister of Vishnu.
ॐ उन्मेषनिमिषोत्पन्नविपन्नभुवनावल्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who causes creation and dissolution of series of universes.
ॐ सहस्रशीर्षवदनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has 1,000 faces.
ॐ सहस्राक्षयै नमः
Salutation to the one who has 1,000 eyes.
ॐ सहस्रपदे नमः
Salutation to the one who has 1,000 feet.
ॐ आब्रह्मकीटजनन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the mother unto all beings from Brahma to a tiny room.
ॐ वर्णाश्रमविदायिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who establishes Varna and Ashrama system.
ॐ निजाज्ञारूपनिगमायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose command are the Vedas.
ॐ पुण्यफलप्रदायै नमः
Salutation to the one who bestows good and bad results according to one's actions.
ॐ श्रुतिसीमन्तसिन्दूरीकृतपादाब्जधूलिकायै नमः
Salutations to the one whose footprints is the mark of vermilion for the best of Vedic tests.
ॐ सकलागमसन्दोहशुक्तिसम्पूर्णमौक्तिकायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the pearl embedded in all the scriptures put together.
ॐ पुरुषार्थप्रदायै नमः
Salutation to the one who grants all the objectives to people.
ॐ पूर्णायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is complete.
ॐ भोगिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the enjoyer.
ॐ भुवनेश्वर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who rules over the universe.
ॐ अम्बिकायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the mother.
ॐ अनादिनिधनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has no beginning or end.
ॐ हरिब्रह्मेन्द्रसेवितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is attended upon by Vishnu, Brahma and Indra.
ॐ नारायण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is abider in all living beings.
ॐ नादरूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of Nada.
ॐ नामरूपविवर्जितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who transcends name and form.
ॐ ह्रीङ्कार्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the Bija mantra Hrim.
ॐ ह्रीमत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who possesses the mantra Rim.
ॐ रुद्रायै नमः
Salutation to the one who abides in the heart of her devotees.
ॐ हेयोपादेयवर्जितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has nothing to reject or accept.
ॐ राजराजार्चितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by great kings.
ॐ राज्ञयै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the empress.
ॐ रम्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is enchanting.
ॐ राजीवलोचनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has dear lotus-like eyes.
ॐ रञ्जन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who delights.
ॐ रमण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who gladdens the heart of all.
ॐ रस्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the essence of happiness.
ॐ रणकिङ्किणीमेखलायै नमः
Salutation to the one who wears girdle with jingling bells.
ॐ रमायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the form of Lakshmi.
ॐ राकेन्दुवदनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who possesses face resembling full moon.
ॐ रतिरूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of attachment.
ॐ रतिप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the beloved of Rati.
ॐ रक्षाकर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who protects.
ॐ राक्षसज्ञै नमः
Salutation to the one who slays the demons.
ॐ रामायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the perfect woman.
ॐ रमलम्पटायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is devoted to her spouse.
ॐ काम्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is Salutation to the one who is to be desired.
ॐ कामकलारूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the form of Kamakala.
ॐ कदम्बकुसुमप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is fond of Kadamba flowers.
ॐ कल्याण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is beneficent.
ॐ जगतिकन्दायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the root of the worlds.
ॐ करुणारससागरायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is an ocean of compassion.
ॐ कलावत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who possesses sciences and arts.
ॐ कलालापायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose speech is sweet sounding.
ॐ कान्त्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is beautiful.
ॐ कादम्बरीप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is fond of mid-drink.
ॐ वरदायै नमः
Salutation to the one who bestows boons.
ॐ वामनयनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who possesses beautiful eyes.
ॐ वारुणीमदविह्वलायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is intoxicated with essence of dates.
ॐ विश्वाधिकार्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who transcends the universe.
ॐ वेदवेद्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is known through the Vedas.
ॐ विन्ध्याचलनिवासिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who resides in the Vindhya mountains.
ॐ विधात्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who supports all.
ॐ वेदजनन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who gives birth to the Vedas.
ॐ विष्णुमायायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the conditioning element of all pervasive Brahman.
ॐ विलासिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is playful.
ॐ क्षेत्रस्वरूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is a form of playfield.
ॐ क्षेत्रेश्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the Lord of physical universe.
ॐ क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञपालिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who protects the body and soul.
ॐ क्षयवृद्धिविनिर्मुक्तायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is free from decay and growth.
ॐ क्षेत्रपालसमीर्चितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by Kshetrapala.
ॐ विजयायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is ever victorious.
ॐ विमलायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is not sullied.
ॐ वन्द्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is adorable.
ॐ वन्दारूजनवत्सलायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is fond of those who worship her.
ॐ वाग्वादिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is goddess of good speech.
ॐ वामकेश्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who has beautiful trees.
ॐ वल्लीमण्डलवासिन्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who resides in 3 mandalas: Soma, in Sahasrara, Surya in Anahata, and Agni in Mooladhara.
ॐ भक्तिमत्कल्पलतिकायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is wishing yield, creeper unto her devotees.
ॐ पशुपाशविमोचिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who relieves the ignorant from their bondage.
ॐ सौहृताशेषपाषण्डायै नमः
Salutation to the one who destroys all heretical thoughts or systems.
ॐ सदाचारप्रवर्तिकायै नमः
Salutation to the one who incites into right action.
ॐ तापत्रयाग्निसङ्गपसमाराधनचन्द्रिकायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the moonlight which delights those scorched by the triple fire of miseries connected with the physical, elemental and celestial spheres.
ॐ तरुण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is ever youthful.
ॐ तापसाराध्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped even by ascetics.
ॐ तनुमध्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has slender waist.
ॐ तमोपहायै नमः
Salutation to the one who removes darkness.
ॐ चित्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is intelligence personified.
ॐ तत्पदलक्षार्थायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is denoted by the term Tai, that is the conditioned Godhead.
ॐ चिदेकरसरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is essence of consciousness.
ॐ स्वात्मानन्दलवीभूतब्रह्माद्यानन्दसन्तत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one whose minuscule part is the totality of the bliss experienced even by Brahma.
ॐ परायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is superior Parava.
ॐ प्रत्यक्षीतिरूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is inner consciousness.
ॐ पश्यन्त्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is Pashyanti Vak.
ॐ परदेवतायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the supreme deity.
ॐ मध्यमायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is Madhyama Vak.
ॐ वैखरीरूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of articulate speech.
ॐ भक्तमानसहंसिकायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the swan striding through the minds of her devotees.
ॐ कामेश्वरप्राणनाट्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the vital channel of life of Kameshwara.
ॐ कृतज्ञायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the knower of all actions.
ॐ कामपूजितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by Kama.
ॐ शृङ्गाररससम्पूर्णायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is filled with the sentiment of love.
ॐ जयायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is victorious.
ॐ जालन्धरसितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who resides in Jalandhara Pitha.
ॐ ओड्यानपीठनिलयायै नमः
Salutation to the one who resides in the Odyana Pitha.
ॐ बिन्दुमण्डलवासिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who resides in the middle of Mahabindu.
ॐ रहो यागक्रमाराध्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped in secrecy through Antaryaga.
ॐ रहस्तर्पणतर्पितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is gratified by secret oblations.
ॐ सद्यप्रसादिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who confers her grace immediately.
ॐ विश्वसाक्षिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the witness of the world.
ॐ साक्षिवर्जितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has none to witness herself.
ॐ षड्गुण्यदेवतायुक्तायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is accompanied by the sixfold deities.
ॐ षड्गुण्यपरिपूरितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is endowed with sixfold qualities of policy, that is peace, war, marching, encampment, dividing one's enemies and acquiring allies.
ॐ नित्यक्लिन्नायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is ever compassionate.
ॐ निरुपमायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has none equaling herself.
ॐ निर्वाणसुखदायिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who confers the bliss liberation.
ॐ नित्याषोडशिकारूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of 16 deities.
ॐ श्रीकण्ठार्धलक्ष्मिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who possesses half of the body of Shiva.
ॐ प्रभावत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is luminous.
ॐ प्रभारूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of brightness.
ॐ प्रसिद्धायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is renowned.
ॐ परमेश्वर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is supreme ruler.
ॐ मूलप्रकृत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the primordial cause.
ॐ अव्यक्तायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is non-manifest.
ॐ व्यक्ताव्यक्तस्वरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is both manifest as well unmanifest elements.
ॐ व्यापिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is all-pervading.
ॐ विविधाकारायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has multiple forms.
ॐ विद्यास्वरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is both knowledge and ignorance.
ॐ महाकामेश नयनकुमुदाह्लादकौमुद्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the moonlight gladdening the like eyes of Salutation to the one who is the moonlight gladdening the lily-like eyes of Mahakamesha.
ॐ भक्तहार्दतमोभेद भानुमद्भन्धुसंहृत्यै नमः ॐ भक्तहार्दतमोभेद भानुमद्भानुसन्तत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the rays of sun dispelling the darkness from the heart of devotees.
ॐ शिवदूत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who has Shiva as her messenger.
ॐ शिवाराध्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped even by Shiva.
ॐ शिवमूर्त्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of Shiva.
ॐ शिवङ्कर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who bestows auspiciousness.
ॐ शिवप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is beloved of Shiva.
ॐ शिवपरायै नमः
Salutation to the one to whom Shiva is supreme.
ॐ शिष्टेष्टायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is desired by the cultured.
ॐ शिष्टपूजितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by the cultured.
ॐ अप्रमेयायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is immeasurable.
ॐ स्वप्रकाशायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is self-luminous.
ॐ मनोवाचामगोचरायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is beyond mind and expressions.
ॐ चित्शक्त्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is power of consciousness.
ॐ चेतनारूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of consciousness.
ॐ जडशक्त्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the power of inanimate world.
ॐ जडात्मिकायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of inanimate world.
ॐ गायत्र्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is Gayatri.
ॐ व्याहत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the Vyarti.
ॐ सन्ध्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is Sandhya.
ॐ द्विजवृन्दनिषेवितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by all who initiate into Gayatri Mantra.
ॐ तत्त्वासनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has 36 elements.
ॐ तस्मै नमः
Salutation to the one who is known as that.
ॐ तुभ्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is known as thou.
ॐ अय्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is O.
ॐ पञ्चकोशान्तरस्थितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is residing within 5 sheaths of body.
ॐ निस्सीममहिम्ने नमः
Salutation to the one who has illimitable greatness.
ॐ नित्ययौवनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is ever youthful.
ॐ मदशालिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is ever rapturous.
ॐ मदपूर्णितरक्ताक्षयै नमः
Salutation to the one whose eyes are rolling with rapture.
ॐ मदपाटलगण्डभुवे नमः
Salutation to the one whose cheeks are reddened with rapture.
ॐ चन्दनद्रवदिग्धाङ्ग्यै नमः
Salutation to the one whose body is smeared with sandal paste.
ॐ चाम्पेयकुसुमप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is fond of champa.
ॐ कुशलायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is skillful.
ॐ कोमलाकारायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has graceful appearance.
ॐ कुरुकुल्लायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is Kurukulla.
ॐ कुलेश्वर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who rules over the trade.
ॐ कुलकुण्डलायै नमः
Salutation to the one who abides in Kulukunda.
ॐ कौलमार्गतत्परसेवितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by those devoted to Kaula path of worship.
ॐ कुमारगणनाथाम्बायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is mother of Subramanya and Ganpati.
ॐ तुष्ट्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who is in the form of contentment.
ॐ पुष्ट्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of nourishment.
ॐ मत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of intelligence.
ॐ धृत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of fortune.
ॐ शान्त्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of tranquility.
ॐ स्वस्तिमत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is exceedingly benevolent.
ॐ कात्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is effulgent.
ॐ नन्दिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who ever pleases.
ॐ विघ्ननाशिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who destroys obstacles.
ॐ तेजोवत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is splendorous.
ॐ त्रिनयनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has sun, moon, and fire as three eyes.
ॐ लोलाक्षि कामरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of desire of women.
ॐ मालिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who has. Salutation to the one who is bedecked with garlands.
ॐ हंसिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the sun.
ॐ मात्रै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the mother of all.
ॐ मलयाचलवासिन्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who resides in Malaya mountains.
ॐ सुमुख्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who has beautiful face.
ॐ नलिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is lotus.
ॐ सुभ्रुवे नमः
Salutation to the one who has beautiful eyebrows.
ॐ शोभनायै नमः
Salutation to one who is beautiful.
ॐ सुरनायिकायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is leader of celestials.
ॐ कालकण्ठ्यै नमः
Salutation to one who is the consort of Shiva who has poison in his neck.
ॐ कान्तिमत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is radiant.
ॐ क्षोभिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who causes movement.
ॐ सूक्ष्मरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is subtle.
ॐ वज्रेश्वर्यै नमः
Salutation to one who is Vajreshwari.
ॐ वामदेव्यै नमः
Salutation to one who is the consort of Vamadeva.
ॐ वयोवस्थाविवर्जितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is exempt from changes caused by age.
ॐ सिद्धेश्वर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the Lord of Siddhas.
ॐ सिद्धविद्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the science of Siddhas.
ॐ सिद्धमात्रे नमः
Salutation to the one who is the protector of Siddhas.
ॐ यशस्विन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is famous.
ॐ विशुद्धिचक्रनिलयायै नमः
Salutation to the one who abides in the Vishuddhi.
ॐ आरक्तवर्णायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is of the reddish hue.
ॐ त्रिलोचनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has three eyes.
ॐ खट्वाङ्गादिप्रहरणायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is armed with Khatvanga.
ॐ वदनैकसमन्वितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has one face.
ॐ पायसान्नप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is fond of milk porridge.
ॐ त्वक्स्थायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is guardian of tactile organs.
ॐ पशुलोकभयङ्कर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who causes fear amongst the ignorant.
ॐ अमृतादिमहाशक्तिसंवृतायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is surrounded by 16 deities called as Amrita.
ॐ डाकिनीश्वर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is called as Dakini.
ॐ अनाहतार्जनिलयायै नमः
Salutation to the one who abides in Anahata Chakra.
ॐ श्यामाभायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is dark in complexion.
ॐ वदनद्वयायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has two faces.
ॐ दंष्ट्रोज्ज्वलायै नमः
Salutation to the one who shines with her fangs.
ॐ अक्षमालादिधरायै नमः
Salutation to the one who wears garland of aksha beads.
ॐ रुधिरसंस्थितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is guardian of blood.
ॐ कालरात्रादिशक्तौघवृतायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is attended by hosts.
ॐ सिद्धमुदनप्रियायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is fond of food mixed with ghee.
ॐ महावीरेन्द्रवरदायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who grants boon to great warriors.
ॐ राकिण्यम्बा स्वरूपिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to one who is called Rakini.
ॐ मणिपूराब्जनिलयायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who abides in Manipura Chakra.
ॐ वदनत्रयसंयुतायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has 3 faces.
ॐ वज्राधिकायुधोपेतायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is armed with weapons such as thunderbolt.
ॐ डामर्यादिभिरावृतायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is attended by deities such as Damari.
ॐ रक्तवर्णायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is blood red in complexion.
ॐ मांसनिष्ठायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is guardian of flesh.
ॐ गुणान्नप्रीतमानसायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is fond of jaggery rice.
ॐ समस्तभक्तसुखदायै नमः।
Salutation to one who bestows happiness upon all her devotees.
ॐ लाकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is called as Lakini.
ॐ स्वादिष्ठानां भुजगतायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who resides in Swadhisthana Chakra.
ॐ चतुर्वक्त्रमनोहरायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has enchanting form with 4 faces.
ॐ शूलाद्यायुधसम्पन्नायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is armed with trident and other weapons.
ॐ पीतवर्णायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is yellow complexioned.
ॐ अतिगर्वितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is filled with pride.
ॐ मेदोनिष्ठायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is guardian of fat.
ॐ मधुप्रीतायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is fond of mead.
ॐ बन्दिन्यादिसमन्वितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is attended by deities such as Bandhini.
ॐ दद्धन्यासक्तहृदयायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is fond of curd rice.
ॐ काकिनीरूपधारिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is called as Kakini.
ॐ मूलाधाराम्बुजारूढायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who ascends from the Mooladhara Chakra.
ॐ पञ्चवक्त्रायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has 5 faces.
ॐ अस्थिसंस्थितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is guardian of bones.
ॐ अंकुशादिप्रहरणायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is armed with good.
ॐ वरदादिनिषेवितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is attended by deities such as Varada.
ॐ उद्गौदनासक्तचित्तायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is fond of food mixed with mudga.
ॐ साकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is called Sakini.
ॐ आज्ञाचक्राब्जनिलयायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who resides in Agnya Chakra.
ॐ शुक्लवर्णायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is white complexioned.
ॐ षडाननायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has 6 faces.
ॐ मज्जासंस्थायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is guardian of bone marrow.
ॐ हंसवती मुख्यशक्तिसमन्वितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is attended by 2 deities.
ॐ हरिद्रानैकरसिकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is fond of rice mixed with raw turmeric.
ॐ हाकिनीरूपधारिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who assumes the form of Hakini.
ॐ सहस्रदलपद्मस्थायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who resides in 1000-petaled Sahasrara Chakra.
ॐ सर्ववर्णोपशोभितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who shines with all hues.
ॐ सर्वायुधधरायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is armed with all weapons.
ॐ शुक्लसंस्थितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is guardian of life-producing semen.
ॐ सर्वतोमुख्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has faces in all directions.
ॐ सर्ववदनप्रीतचित्तायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is fond of all kinds of food.
ॐ याकिन्यम्बा स्वरूपिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who assumes the form of Mother Yakini.
ॐ स्वाहायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is Swaha.
ॐ स्वधायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is Swadha.
ॐ अमत्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is devoid of limitation in knowledge.
ॐ मेधायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is wisdom personified.
ॐ श्रुत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the sacred Vedas.
ॐ स्मृत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is of nature of the scriptures authored by seers.
ॐ अनुत्तमायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has none superior to her.
ॐ पुण्यकीर्त्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is famed for her righteousness.
ॐ पुण्यलभ्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who can be attained by righteousness.
ॐ पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose glories, when sung or heard, bestow merits.
ॐ पुलौमजार्चितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by Shachi.
ॐ बन्धमोचिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who relieves one from bondage.
ॐ बर्बरालकायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has wavy trees.
ॐ विमर्शरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of world known by light of knowledge.
ॐ विद्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the knowledge which bestows salvation.
ॐ वियदादिजगत्प्रसवे नमः
Salutation to the one who is the mother of elements such as ether.
ॐ सर्वव्याधिप्रशमन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who alleviates all diseases.
ॐ सर्वमृत्युनिवारिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who dispels death.
ॐ अग्रगण्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the first to be emulated.
ॐ अचिन्त्यरूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose form is beyond thoughts.
ॐ करिकल्मषनाशिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who destroys the ill effects of Kali Yuga.
ॐ कात्यायन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is Katyayani.
ॐ कालहन्त्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who destroys the time.
ॐ कमलाक्षनिषेवितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by lotus-eyed Vishnu.
ॐ ताम्बूलपूरितमुख्यै नमः
Salutation to the one whose mouth is filled with tambula.
ॐ दाडिमीकुसुमप्रभायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose complexion is red like pomegranate flower.
ॐ मृगाक्षयै नमः
Salutation to the one whose eyes resembles that of petulant-eyed doe.
ॐ मोहिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is enchanting.
ॐ मुख्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the most important.
ॐ मृडान्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is consort of Mruda.
ॐ मित्ररूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is friendly.
ॐ नित्यतृप्तायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is eternally pleased.
ॐ भक्तनिलये नमः
Salutation to the one who is the cherished treasure of her devotees.
ॐ नियन्त्र्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the controller and guide.
ॐ निखिलेश्वर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the ruler of all.
ॐ मैत्रादिवासनालभ्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is attainable by noble qualities such as friendliness.
ॐ महाप्रलयसाक्षिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who witnesses great dissolution.
ॐ पराशक्त्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is supreme energy.
ॐ परानिष्ठायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the supreme end.
ॐ प्रज्ञानघनरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is knowledge densely concentrated.
ॐ माध्वीपानारसायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is languid due to drinking of grapevine.
ॐ मत्तायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is intoxicated.
ॐ मातृकावर्णरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of Matruka letter.
ॐ महाकैलासनिलयायै नमः
Salutation to the one who resides in the lofty Kailasa.
ॐ मृणालमृदुदौर्लतायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose creeper-like arms are soft as lotus stalk.
ॐ महनीयायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is illustrious.
ॐ दयामूर्त्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is personification of mercy.
ॐ महासाम्राज्यशालिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who possesses a wide kingdom as her domain.
ॐ आत्मविद्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the knowledge of self.
ॐ महाविद्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the personification of exalted knowledge.
ॐ श्रीविद्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the personification of Panchadashi mantra.
ॐ कामसेवितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is served by Manmatha.
ॐ श्री षोडशाक्षरी विद्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is personification of Shodashi mantra.
ॐ त्रिकुटायै नमः।
Salutation to the one whose mantra has 3 groups.
ॐ कामकोटिकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who brings an end to all desires.
ॐ कटाक्षकिङ्करीभूतकमलाकोटिसेवितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who by mere glance makes crores of Lakshmis.
ॐ शिरस्थितायै नमः।
Salutation to one whose repose is Sahasrara Padma. Salutations to the one whose repose is Sahasrara Padma on the crest.
ॐ चन्द्रदिभायै नमः।
Salutations to the one whose hue resembles the moon.
ॐ भालस्थायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who resides in the forehead.
ॐ इन्द्रधनुप्रभायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is hued as rainbow.
ॐ हृदयस्थायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who resides in heart.
ॐ रविप्रख्यायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who resembles the sun.
ॐ त्रिकोणान्तरदीपिकायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who shines in the triangle.
ॐ दाक्षायण्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the daughter of Daksha.
ॐ दैत्यहन्त्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the slayer of the demons.
ॐ दक्षयज्ञविनाशिन्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who destroyed the sacrifice of Daksha.
ॐ धरान्दोलितदीर्घाक्षयै नमः।
Salutations to the one who dispels fear of her devotees with her long glances.
ॐ धरहासोज्ज्वलन्मुख्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one whose face shines with a smile.
ॐ गुरुमूर्त्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who assumes the form of a preceptor.
ॐ गुणनिधये नमः।
Salutation to the one who is treasure trove of qualities.
ॐ गोमात्रै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the form of motherly love.
ॐ गुहजन्मभुवे नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the mother of Subramanya.
ॐ देवेश्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is ruler of the celestials.
ॐ दण्डनीतिस्थायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who dwells in justice.
ॐ दहराकाशरूपिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the subtle Akasha.
ॐ प्रतिपन्नमुख्यराकान्तदीतिमण्डलपूजितायै नमः।
परत म्हणू शकता?
ॐ प्रतिपन्नमुख्यराकान्तदीतिमण्डलपूजितायै नमः।
Worship from Pratipat till full moon.
ॐ कलात्मिकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the form of the digits of moon.
ॐ कमलनाथायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the ruler of the digits.
ॐ काव्यालापविनोदिन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who delights in poetry and literature.
ॐ सचामररमावाणी सव्यदक्षिणसेवितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is attended upon by Lakshmi and Saraswati on either side.
ॐ आदिशक्त्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the premortal energy.
ॐ अमेयायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is immeasurable.
ॐ आत्मने नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the nature of self.
ॐ परमायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the supreme.
ॐ पावनाकृतये नमः।
Salutation to the one who is of pure form.
ॐ अनेककोटिब्रह्माण्डजनन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the progenitor of crores of universe.
ॐ दिव्यविग्रहायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who has divine form.
ॐ क्लीङ्कार्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is of the Bija mantra Klim.
ॐ केवलायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the absolute devoid of attribute.
ॐ गुह्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the secret.
ॐ कैवल्यपददायिन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who bestows the status of liberation, the state of attributelessness.
ॐ त्रिपुरायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who dwells in the triplets.
ॐ त्रिजगद्वन्द्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is adored by the 3 worlds.
ॐ त्रिमूर्त्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is of 3 forms.
ॐ त्रिदशेश्वर्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the ruler of the triads.
ॐ त्र्यक्षर्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is 3 syllable.
ॐ दिव्यगन्धाढ्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is anointed with divine perfume.
ॐ सिन्दूरतिलकाञ्चित्तायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is adorned with red tilaka.
ॐ उमायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is Uma, the luminous.
ॐ शैलेन्द्रतनयायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the daughter of the king of mountain.
ॐ गौर्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is white in complexion.
ॐ गन्धर्वसेवितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is attended by the Gandharvas.
ॐ विश्वगर्भायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who conceives the universe within her womb.
ॐ स्वर्णगर्भायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the conceiver of the golden egg.
ॐ अवरदायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who destroys the unholy demons' tendencies.
ॐ वागधीश्वर्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the mistress of the speech.
ॐ ध्यानगम्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who can be attained by contemplation.
ॐ अपरिच्छेदायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who cannot be limited to place or time.
ॐ ज्ञानदायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who bestows knowledge.
ॐ ज्ञानविग्रहायै नमः।
Salutation to the one whose form in that of supreme knowledge.
ॐ सर्ववेदान्तसंवेद्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is known solely by all the Upanishads.
ॐ सत्यानन्दस्वरूपिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is existence and bliss.
ॐ लोपामुद्रार्चितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by Lopamudra.
ॐ लीलातृप्तब्रह्माण्डमण्डलायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who created the entire cosmos as if it were a part.
ॐ अदृश्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is invisible.
ॐ दृश्यरहितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who transcends the visible worlds.
ॐ विज्ञात्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the knower.
ॐ वेदवर्जितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who transcends all that can be known.
ॐ योगिन्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who possesses the union.
ॐ योगदायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who bestows yoga, the unsaid union.
ॐ योग्यायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the object of enjoyment.
ॐ योगानन्दायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the bliss of union.
ॐ युगन्धरायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who bears the yoke.
ॐ इच्छाशक्ति ज्ञानशक्ति क्रियाशक्ति स्वरूपिण्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the triumvirate powers of desires, knowledge, and action.
ॐ सर्वाधारायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the supporter of all.
ॐ सुप्रतिष्ठायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is firmly established.
ॐ सदसद्रूपधारिण्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is in the form of being.
ॐ अष्टमूर्त्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is in the 8 forms.
ॐ अजाजैत्र्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who conquers the unborn.
ॐ लोकयात्राविदायिन्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who directs the course of the world.
ॐ एकाकिन्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is one.
ॐ भूमरूपायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is aggregate of all existing objects.
ॐ निर्द्वैतायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is devoid of duality.
ॐ द्वैतवर्जितायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who transcends the concept of duality.
ॐ अन्नदायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who provides food.
ॐ वसुदायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who bestows wealth.
ॐ वृद्धायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the ancient.
ॐ ब्रह्मात्मैकस्वरूपिण्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is of nature of union of supreme.
ॐ बृहत्यै नमः।
Salutations of the one who is most expansive.
ॐ ब्राह्मण्यै नमः।
Salutations of the one who is divine wisdom.
ॐ ब्राह्म्यै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the consort of Brahmas.
ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the bliss of supreme.
ॐ बलिप्रियायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who delights in the sacrifice.
ॐ भाषारूपायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is in the form of articulate speech.
ॐ बृहत्सेनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who possesses a large and mighty army.
ॐ भावाभावविवर्जितायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is devoid of existence and non-existence.
ॐ सुखाराध्यायै नमः
Salutations to the one who can be worshipped with ease.
ॐ शुभकर्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who causes good.
ॐ शोभनासुलभागत्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who is the right path and also the destination which is easily attained.
ॐ राजराजेश्वर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the ruler of all emperors.
ॐ राजदायिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who bestows kingdom.
ॐ राजवल्लभायै नमः
Salutation to the one who delights in kingdom.
ॐ राजकृपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who radiates compassion.
ॐ राजपीठनिवेशितनिजाश्रितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who firmly places her attendants and devotees on the throne of kingdoms.
ॐ राज्यलक्ष्म्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the royal treasure,
ॐ कोशनाथायै नमः
who is the lord of five koshas.
ॐ चतुरङ्गबलेश्वर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who commands an army of 4 divisions.
ॐ साम्राज्यदायिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who bestows mighty kingship.
ॐ सत्यसन्धायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is devoted to the truth.
ॐ सागरमेखलायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is girdled with ocean.
ॐ दीक्षितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who initiates into divine knowledge and destroys ignorance.
ॐ दैत्यशमन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who keeps the demons under control.
ॐ सर्वलोकवशङ्कर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who has subjugated all the worlds.
ॐ सर्वार्थदात्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who bestows all the desired objects.
ॐ सावित्र्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the creator of the universe.
ॐ सच्चिदानन्दरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is existence, consciousness, and bliss.
ॐ देशकालपरिच्छिन्नायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is unlimited by space and time.
ॐ सर्वगायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is omnipresent.
ॐ सर्वमोहिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who bewilders everyone.
ॐ सरस्वत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is endowed with essence.
ॐ शास्त्रमय्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of scriptures.
ॐ गुहाम्बायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the mother of Guha.
ॐ गुह्यरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is secret.
ॐ सर्वोपाधिविनिर्मुक्तायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is free from all limitation.
ॐ सदाशिवपतिव्रतायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the devoted spouse of Sadashiva.
ॐ सम्प्रदायेश्वर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the font of traditional wisdom.
ॐ साधुने नमः
Salutation to the one who is pious.
ॐ यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of I.
ॐ गुरुमण्डलरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of horde of perceptors starting from Adhinatha Shiva.
ॐ कुलोत्तीर्णायै नमः
Salutation to the one who transcends the Kula.
ॐ भगाराध्यायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is to be worshipped in Bhaga.
ॐ मायायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is of the nature of illusion.
ॐ मधुमत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the last state of meditation, which when overcome grants liberation.
ॐ मय्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is of nature of earth.
ॐ गणाम्बायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the mother of the host.
ॐ गुह्यकाराध्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by Goyakas, the celestials who are unknown.
ॐ कोमलाङ्ग्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who has tender limbs.
ॐ गुरुप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who beloves Guru.
ॐ स्वतन्त्रायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is independent.
ॐ सर्वतन्त्रेश्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the ruler of all tantras.
ॐ दक्षिणामूर्तिरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of Dakshanamurti.
ॐ सनकादिसमाराध्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by Sanaka and other sages.
ॐ शिवज्ञानप्रदायिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who bestows the knowledge of Shiva.
ॐ चित्करायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is a part of consciousness.
ॐ आनन्दकलिकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the bud of bliss.
ॐ प्रेमरूपायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the form of affection.
ॐ प्रियङ्कर्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who causes affection.
ॐ नामपारायणप्रीतायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who delights when her name is repeated.
ॐ नन्दिविद्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the form of mantra envisioned by Nandi.
ॐ नटेश्वर्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the consort of the Lord of Dance.
ॐ मिथ्याजगदधिष्ठानायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the substantum.
ॐ मुक्तिदायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who bestows salvation.
ॐ मुक्तिरूपिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the form of salvation.
ॐ लास्यप्रियायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is fond of dance with gentle movements called lasya.
ॐ लयकर्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who causes dissolution of universe.
ॐ लज्जायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who resides in all beings as shame.
ॐ रम्भादिवन्दितायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is adored by divine nymphs such as Rambha.
ॐ भवदा वसुधावृष्ट्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the form of rain of nectar for those tormented by the fire of worldly existence.
ॐ पापारण्यदवानलायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the forest, fire consuming the sins.
ॐ दौर्भाग्यतूलवातूलायै नमः।
Salutations to the one who is the gust of wind which blows away the misfortune like husk.
ॐ जराध्वान्तरविप्रभायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the sun which dispels the darkness.
ॐ भाग्याब्धिचन्द्रिकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the moon which swells the ocean of good fortune.
ॐ व्यक्तचित्तकेकिघनाघनायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the cloud which delights the peacock in the form of mind of devotees.
ॐ रोगपर्वतदम्बोलयै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the thunderbolt which can down the mountain of diseases.
ॐ मृत्युदारुकुठारिकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the axe which chops down the tree of death.
ॐ महेश्वर्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the great Lord.
ॐ महाकाल्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the great cosmic time.
ॐ महाग्रासायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the greater devourer.
ॐ महाशनायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the great consumer.
ॐ अपर्णायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who removes the debt.
ॐ चण्डिकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is of terrible wrath.
ॐ चण्डमुण्डासुरनिषुधन्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who destroyed the demons Chanda and Munda.
ॐ क्षराक्षरात्मिकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the form of perishable and imperishable worlds.
ॐ सर्वलोकेश्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the ruler of the worlds.
ॐ विश्वधारिण्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the supporter of the universe.
ॐ त्रिवर्गदात्र्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who provides the threefold object of desire.
ॐ सुभगायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the form of good fortune or for devotees.
ॐ त्र्यम्बकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is three-eyed.
ॐ त्रिगुणात्मिकायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who possesses the three qualities.
ॐ स्वर्गापवर्गदायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who bestows heaven as well as salvation.
ॐ शुद्धायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is pure.
ॐ जपापुष्पविकाकृतये नमः।
Salutation to the one whose body resembles hibiscus flower.
ॐ ओजोपत्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is vitality personified.
ॐ द्युतिधरायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the bearer of light.
ॐ यज्ञरूपायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the form of sacrifice.
ॐ प्रियव्रतायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is in the fond of vows.
ॐ दुराराध्यायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is difficult to worship.
ॐ दुराधर्षायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is difficult to control.
ॐ पाटलीकुसुमप्रियायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is fond of patala flower.
ॐ महत्यै नमः।
Salutation to the one who is the great.
ॐ मेरुनिलयायै नमः।
Salutation to the one who resides in Mount Meru.
ॐ मन्दारकुसुमप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is fond of mandara flowers.
ॐ वीराराध्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by Veeras.
ॐ विराट्रूपायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is in the form of totality of the physical universe.
ॐ विरजायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is bereft of passion.
ॐ विश्वतोमुख्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who faces the world.
ॐ प्रत्यग्रूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of individual self.
ॐ पराकाशायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the supreme ether.
ॐ प्राणदायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the bestower of life.
ॐ प्राणरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is prana.
ॐ मार्ताण्डभैरवाराध्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by Martanda Bhairava.
ॐ मन्त्रिणीन्यस्तराज्यधूरे नमः
Salutation to the one who has entrusted her kingdom to Mantrini.
ॐ त्रिपुरेश्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is Tripureshi.
ॐ जयत्सेनायै नमः
Salutations to the one who has victorious army.
ॐ निस्त्रैगुण्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is devoid of three qualities.
ॐ परापरायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is both superior as well as inferior.
ॐ सत्यज्ञानानन्दरूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is truth, noise, and bliss.
ॐ सामरस्यपरायणायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the co-equal nature of Shiva and Shakti.
ॐ कपर्दिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the consort of Shiva.
ॐ कलामालायै नमः
Salutation to the one who has 64 arts as her garland.
ॐ कामदुधै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the wish-yielding cow.
ॐ कामरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is of the nature of desire.
ॐ कलानिधये नमः
Salutation to the one who is the treasure trove of sciences.
ॐ कार्यकलायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of poetic love.
ॐ रसज्ञायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the knower of sentiments.
ॐ रससेवदये नमः
Salutation to the one who is the treasure of sentiments.
ॐ पुष्टायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is nourished.
ॐ पुरातनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is ancient.
ॐ पूज्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is adorable.
ॐ पुष्करायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is embodiment of nourishment.
ॐ पुष्करेक्षणायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is lotus-eyed.
ॐ परस्मै ज्योतिषे नमः
Salutation to the one who is supreme light.
ॐ परस्मै धाम्ने नमः
Salutation to the one who is supreme abode.
ॐ परमाणवे नमः
Salutation to the one who is more subtle than an atom.
ॐ परात्परायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is superior even unto the supreme.
ॐ पाशहस्तायै नमः
Salutation to the one who shines with a noose in her hand.
ॐ पाशहन्त्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who destroys the bonds.
ॐ परमन्त्रविभेदिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who destroys the evil enchantments hostile to her devotees.
ॐ मूर्तायै नमः
Salutations to the one who has tangible form.
ॐ अमूर्तये नमः
Salutations to the one who has no definite form.
ॐ नित्यतृप्तायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is pleased even with perishable offerings.
ॐ मुनिमानसहंसिकायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is in the swan who sports in the mines.
ॐ सत्यव्रतायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is true to her vows.
ॐ सत्यरूपायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is reality.
ॐ सर्वान्तर्यामिण्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who dwells within all beings.
ॐ सत्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who is a chaste spouse.
ॐ ब्रह्मण्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who is the life giver of Brahma.
ॐ ब्रह्मणे नमः
Salutations to the one who is verily the supreme.
ॐ जनन्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who is the mother.
ॐ बहुरूपायै नमः
Salutations to the one who possesses manifold forms.
ॐ बुधार्चितायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is adored by the wise.
ॐ प्रसवित्र्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who is the creator.
ॐ प्रचण्डायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is wrathful.
ॐ आज्ञायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is of the nature of command.
ॐ प्रतिष्ठायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is the foundation stone of universe.
ॐ प्रकटाकृतये नमः
Salutations to the one who is of nature of experienced form.
ॐ प्राणेश्वर्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who is the lord of the senses.
ॐ प्राणदात्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who nourishes the senses by being the force behind them.
ॐ पञ्चाशत्पीठरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who manifests in 50 sacred Shakti Pithas.
ॐ विशृङ्खलायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is free from fetters.
ॐ विविक्तस्थायै नमः
Salutation to the one who can be adored in secluded spots.
ॐ वीरमात्रे नमः
Salutation to the one who is the mother of Veera.
ॐ वियत्प्रसवे नमः
Salutation to the one who progenerates ether.
ॐ मुकुन्दायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is Vishnu.
ॐ मुक्तिनिलयायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the abode of salvation.
ॐ मूलविग्रहरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one whose body is the root.
ॐ भावज्ञायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the knower of the inner thoughts.
ॐ भवरोगज्ञै नमः
Salutation to the one who destroys the diseases of transmigratory existence.
ॐ भवचक्रप्रवृत्तिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who propels the wheels of earthly existences.
ॐ छन्दसारायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the essence of all poet meters.
ॐ शास्त्रसारायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the essence of all scriptures.
ॐ मन्त्रसारायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the essence of the mantras.
ॐ तलोदर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is of slender waist.
ॐ उदारकीर्तये नमः
Salutation to the one who has exalted fame.
ॐ उद्दामवैभवायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose glory is beyond limits.
ॐ वर्णरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of letters.
ॐ जन्ममृत्युजरातप्तजनविश्रान्तिदायिन्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who brings comfort to those who are scorched by the cycle of birth, death, and decay.
ॐ सर्वोपनिषदुद्घुष्टायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is adored by all the Upanishads.
ॐ शान्त्यतीतकलात्मिकायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is known as Shantayatita Kala.
ॐ गम्भीरायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose depth cannot be fathomed.
ॐ गगनातस्थायै नमः
Salutations to the one who resides in the ether.
ॐ गर्वितायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is proud.
ॐ गानलोलुपायै नमः
Salutations to the one who delights in music.
ॐ कल्पनारहितायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is bereft of imaginary superimposition.
ॐ काष्ठायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the supreme goal.
ॐ आकान्तायै नमः
Salutation to the one who puts an end to sin and pain.
ॐ कान्तार्धविग्रहायै नमः
Salutation to the one who shares half of her body with her spouse.
ॐ कार्यकारणनिर्मुक्तायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is free from being cause and effect.
ॐ कामकेलीतरङ्गितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who swells with delight of love.
ॐ कनकटाटङ्कायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is bedecked with shining golden earrings.
ॐ लीलाविग्रहधारिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who has assumed a manifested form out of sport.
ॐ अजायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is unborn.
ॐ क्षयविनिर्मुक्तायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is free from decay.
ॐ मुग्धायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is beautiful.
ॐ क्षिप्रप्रसादिन्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who is pleased with ease.
ॐ अन्तर्मुखसमाराध्यायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is to be worshipped internally.
ॐ बहिर्मुखसुदुर्लभायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is difficult to be attained by those whose senses are turned outwards.
ॐ त्रय्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who is the integral form of the three Vedas.
ॐ त्रिवर्गनिलयायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is the abode of three objects of desires, namely Dharma, Artha, and Kama.
ॐ त्रिस्थायै नमः
Salutations to the one who resides in the triplets.
ॐ त्रिपुरमालिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is Tripura Malini, the deity of Antardarshana Chakra.
ॐ निरामयायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is free from diseases.
ॐ निरालम्बायै नमः
Salutation to the one who needs no support.
ॐ स्वात्मारामायै नमः
Salutation to the one who delights in herself.
ॐ सुधासुत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is a flow of nectar.
ॐ संसारपङ्गनिर्मग्न समुद्धरण पण्डितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is adept in uplifting those fallen in the swamp of worldly existence.
ॐ यज्ञप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is Lord of sacrifices.
ॐ यज्ञकर्त्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who performs the sacrifices.
ॐ यजमानस्वरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of sacrificer.
ॐ धर्माधारायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the supporter of dharma.
ॐ धनाध्यक्षायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in change of wealth and prosperity.
ॐ धनधान्यविवर्धिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who causes a swell in wealth and grains of her devotees.
ॐ विप्रप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is fond of brahmanas.
ॐ विप्ररूपायै नमः
Salutation to the one who manifests herself as brahmanas.
ॐ विश्वभ्रमणकारिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who causes the universe to function.
ॐ विश्वग्रासायै नमः
Salutation to the one who dissolves the universe.
ॐ विद्रुमाभायै नमः
Salutation to the one who resembles coral.
ॐ वैष्णव्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the power of Vishnu.
ॐ विष्णुरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of Vishnu.
ॐ अयोन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who has no origin.
ॐ योनिनीलयायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the source of creation.
ॐ कूटस्थायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is seated in Kuta.
ॐ कूलरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of Kaula worship.
ॐ वीरगोष्ठीप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is fond of lords of warrior.
ॐ वीरायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is valorous.
ॐ नैष्कर्म्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who abstains from action.
ॐ नादरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of Nada.
ॐ विज्ञानकलनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who makes immediate realization of Supreme Brahman possible.
ॐ कल्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is endowed with capacity to create.
ॐ विदग्धायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is adept in doing her tasks.
ॐ वैद्यवासनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is seated in Mahabindu.
ॐ तत्त्वाधिकार्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is above the categories of material world.
ॐ तत्त्वमय्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is verily the real category.
ॐ तत्त्वमर्थस्वरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is signified by both the worlds.
ॐ सामगानप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is fond of hymns of Samaveda.
ॐ सौम्यायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is benign.
ॐ सदाशिवकुटुम्बिन्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who is consort of Sardashiva.
ॐ सव्यापसव्यमार्गस्थायै नमः
Salutations to the one who can be attained both by right as well as left-handed paths.
ॐ सर्वापद्विनिवारिण्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who annihilates all misfortunes.
ॐ स्वस्थायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is established in herself.
ॐ स्वभावमधुरायै नमः
Salutations to the one who has pleasant nature.
ॐ धीरायै नमः
Salutations to the one who bestows knowledge of non-duality.
ॐ धीरसमर्चितायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is adored by the wise.
ॐ चैतन्यार्घ्यसमाराध्यायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is adored with consciousness or as offering.
ॐ चैतन्यकुसुमप्रियायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is fond of flower of consciousness.
ॐ सदोदितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who always manifests herself in noble men.
ॐ सदा तुष्टायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is ever content.
ॐ तरुणादित्यपाटलायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose hue resembles that of rising sun.
ॐ दक्षिणाराध्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by Dakshina.
ॐ धरस्मेरमुखाम्बुजायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose lotus-like face is beautified with pleasant smile.
ॐ गौरिणीकेवलायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is ever worshipped by followers of Kula and who is ever the knowledge which bestows unity.
ॐ अनर्घ्यकैवल्यपददायिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who bestows the status of priceless salvation.
ॐ स्तोत्रप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is fond of eulogies.
ॐ स्तुतिमत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is ever praised.
ॐ श्रुतिसंस्तुतवैभवायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose glory is extolled by the scriptures.
ॐ मनस्विन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one to whom the mind responds.
ॐ मानवत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who has an elevated state of mind.
ॐ महेश्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the consort of Mahesha.
ॐ मङ्गलाकृत्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who possesses auspicious form.
ॐ विश्वमात्रै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the mother of universe.
ॐ जगद्धात्र्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who supports and bears the universe.
ॐ विशालाक्षै नमः
Salutation to the one who has elongated eyes.
ॐ विरागिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is bereft of passion.
ॐ प्रगल्भायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is strong.
ॐ परमोदारायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is supremely generous.
ॐ परमोदायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is supremely delightful.
ॐ मनोमय्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the mind.
ॐ व्योमकेश्यै नमः
Salutation to the one whose tresses form the ether.
ॐ विमानस्थायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is seated in celestial vehicle.
ॐ वज्रेण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who bears a thunderbolt.
ॐ वामकेश्वर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the deity extolled by Vamakeshvara.
ॐ पञ्चयज्ञप्रियायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is fond of fivefold sacrifices.
ॐ पञ्चप्रेतमञ्चादिशायिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who reclines on a cot supported by 5 corpses.
ॐ पञ्चम्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the fifth.
ॐ पञ्चभूतैश्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who rules the 5 elements.
ॐ पञ्चसङ्ख्योपचारिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is adored with objects numbering 5.
ॐ शाश्वत्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who is eternal.
ॐ शाश्वतैश्वर्यायै नमः
Salutations to the one whose prosperity is eternal.
ॐ शर्मदायै नमः
Salutation to the one who bestows happiness.
ॐ शम्भुमोहिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who has bewildered Lord Shiva.
ॐ धरायै नमः
Salutation to the one who exists in the form of earth.
ॐ धरसुतायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is the daughter of mountains.
ॐ धन्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the greatest fortune.
ॐ धर्मिण्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who is righteousness.
ॐ धर्मवर्धिन्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who increases the righteousness.
ॐ लोकातीतायै नमः
Salutation to the one who transcends the worlds.
ॐ गुणातीतायै नमः
Salutations to the one who transcends all attributes.
ॐ सर्वातीतायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is beyond all.
ॐ क्षमात्मिकायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is tranquil.
ॐ बन्धुकुसुमप्रख्यायै नमः
Salutations to the one whose hue resembles Bandhuka flower.
ॐ बालायै नमः
Salutations to the one who manifests herself in young girl.
ॐ लीलाविनोदिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who delights in entertainment.
ॐ सुमङ्गल्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is personification of auspicious men.
ॐ सुखकर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who bestows happiness.
ॐ सुवेशाढ्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is bedecked with manifold ornaments.
ॐ सुहासिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is ever conjoined with her spouse.
ॐ सुहासिन्यर्चनप्रीतायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is pleased with the adoration of married women.
ॐ आशोभनायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is extremely beautiful.
ॐ शुद्धमानसायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose mind is ever pristine.
ॐ बिन्दुदर्पणसन्तुष्टायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is pleased with offerings in the Bindu.
ॐ पूर्वजायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is firstborn.
ॐ त्रिपुराम्बिकायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of Tripurambika.
ॐ दशमुद्रासमाराध्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped by showing 10 mudras.
ॐ त्रिपुराश्रीवशङ्कर्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is worshipped as Tripurashri.
ॐ ज्ञानमुद्रायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is in the form of Jnana Mudra.
ॐ ज्ञानगम्यायै नमः
Salutation to the one who can be attained only through knowledge.
ॐ ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who is both knowledge and process of knowing.
ॐ योनिमुद्रायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the 9th mudra resembling creative organ.
ॐ त्रिखण्डेश्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who manifests as Trikhanda.
ॐ त्रिगुणायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is endowed with 3 qualities.
ॐ अम्बायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is present as mother.
ॐ त्रिकोणगायै नमः
Salutation to the one who resides in triangle.
ॐ अनघायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is sinless.
ॐ अद्भुतचारित्रायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose deeds are wonderful.
ॐ वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिन्यै नमः
Salutation to the one who bestows all things desired.
ॐ अभ्यासातिशयज्ञातायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is known through constant devotion.
ॐ षड्गातीतरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who transcends 6 adhva.
ॐ अव्याजकरुणामूर्तये नमः
Salutations to the one whose compassion needs no compelling reason.
ॐ अज्ञानध्वान्तविलिकायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is the lamp dispelling ignorance.
ॐ आबालकोपविदितायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is accessible to children and cowherds alike.
ॐ सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासनायै नमः
Salutation to the one whose commands cannot be disobeyed.
ॐ श्रीचक्रराजनिलयायै नमः
Salutations to the one who resides in glorious Sri Chakra.
ॐ श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दर्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who is worshipped as Tripura Sundari.
ॐ श्रीशिवायै नमः
Salutations to the one who is herself the divine Shiva.
ॐ शिवशक्त्यैक्यरूपिण्यै नमः
Salutations to the one who is the union of Shiva and Shakti.
ॐ श्रीललिताम्बिकायै नमः
Salutation to the one who is the mother of Lalita.
इति श्रीललितासहस्रनामावली सम्पूर्णा ॐ
शांति शांति शांति